How to make butterfly puddles. Butterflies are a very striking addition to any flower garden. One way to attract them is by building a butterfly puddle. Butterflies gain their water and minerals by sipping from moist spots, not from open water like birds that enjoy bird baths. A butterfly's method of drinking is called puddling, according to native wildlife gardening. An artificial butterfly puddle will look natural in any flower garden and can start at a size of just 16 inches wide, so there's no need to worry about them obstructing a garden's beauty. Things you'll need: small bowl, dish, aluminum pie pan, or small flower pot, sand, water, shovel, composted manure, salt, decorative rocks, twigs, or pine bark. Fill the bottom of a bowl, dish, pie pan or flower pot with sand. It is recommended by native wildlife gardening that the item being used is a minimum of 16 inches wide to prevent rapid evaporation. Add enough water to make the sand moist. Stale beer or a sweet drink can be substituted for water. Find a spot in full sun and dig a hole for the bowl. Bury the bowl to ground level, making it flush with the dirt. Put approximately 1 tablespoon of composted manure in the sand. A pinch of salt may also be added. Butterflies require additional sodium when mating. Decorate the puddle with a peeling rock, river stone, clam shells, or pine bark. These items, along with twigs, provide perching and sunbathing spots for butterflies.